We are back at one of our favorite places here on the island, Strathcona Park, and we're trying Flower Ridge again. We tried this last year and we made it like 500 meters or something. So today we're definitely going to the top and we're camping. I guess let's go.
Is normal?
Tastes like a Camp is pretty well set up. Yeah, we made it. We're on top of Flower Ridge. How'd it go?
Oh, that was hard. They're all hard.
Yeah, this one was not the hardest we've done, but it was not easy by any means. It's really cool though. Some awesome views on the way up. This ridge kind of just goes forever. I think this is as far as we'll go though. We have to head home pretty early in the morning. But super psyched on being up here for the night. Can't wait. For dinner, we are making a delicious chili. I have some ground beef that I showed you how to dehydrate in another video. And we're being lazy, so we just brought cans of tomato sauce and beans. You could dehydrate those if you wanted to. But to start, I have a little bit of water here for the ground beef. Ugh. Oh, bug. Not quite as much as you'd use if you were rehydrating this by itself, but I want this to soak up some of the juice from the beans and the tomato sauce, so it's not quite so juicy. So I'm just gonna heat this back up a little bit. I already boiled it, and then I'll add in all the ingredients. Add the ground beef. Little bit of chili seasoning, not too much because we don't want to be waking up thirsty. That's probably good. All right, and now it's nice and hot. I'm just gonna shove this on for a bit and let the ground beef continue to soak up some moisture. and then we'll dig in.
That's so spicy.
Holy, these flies are gonna be the death of me. Can you see them everywhere? It's nuts, and I forgot my bug net. The meat's still a little bit crunchy, but it's pretty good. I have to say, this is definitely a delicious camping meal. We're gonna sit here and eat this, and then I think we're gonna go wander around for sunset. It's pretty awesome to be this far out into the middle of nowhere and camping. Stupid bugs. I don't know, it's been since last year, I guess, since we've went backpacking, and I love it. It's awesome. I was kind of worried that we weren't going to get out all that much this year because of my work, but now that we kind of got out and did it, it's definitely happening a lot more. I'm super excited for that. How you feeling, Rick?
I'm tired.
Well, that's pretty much going to wrap up our day. That was an awesome sunset. We took some crazy pictures, and like these. And now we're just back eating some more food because the chili was a little too spicy for Erica. Good thing we brought some extra food. That was supposed to be breakfast, but oh well. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of chill for the rest of the night and
Go to sleep.
go to sleep. We definitely need it, and these freaking bugs are nuts. Oh well, we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We are up at the crack of dawn to pack up and start heading out of here. We wish we could stay a little longer, but that's not in the cards right now. So we're gonna eat a little bit of breakfast, and I think we're gonna go for breakfast when we get down from here. We'll see you on the hike.